Hello everyone, this is Fazal Ur Rahman here from codebook.in. Hope you are enjoying my videos. Today I brought you a new project on location privacy. Okay, suppose in case you want to share your location with some secret message to your beloved ones. So what is the guarantee over here that your location or your secret message will not be revealed on the server by any anonymous user or intruder or hacker? So here we are trying to create an application using Google Maps API. It uses real-time Google Maps API from where we will allow the sharing of locations as well as some secret messages between the users in very highly secured environment. So this project uses Google Maps API, real-time Google Maps API. This project uses cryptography techniques for encryption and decryption of your location on the server. Okay, got it. So let me tell you what are the software requirements are there of this project. This project is a web application for front-end technologies. We have used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. For back-end programming, we have used here Python programming language, and we have used here the Django framework for developing this application, which is the topmost framework in Python for developing web applications. As well as this project also uses a database, which is nothing but MySQL database it uses. In case if we want to use real-time database like AWS, okay, Amazon Web Services, we can use that also for special requests. Let me know if you are interested. Okay, so let's see how we are going to execute this project step by step. This is the landing page of the project. Okay, this is the landing page where we are having some simple designing. Next, there are two different types of users are there in this project. One is the normal user, those who will share the location with another user, and there is a server, is there location based server, those who will perform some operations on the location. Got it? Let's try to go to user here, and first of all we will register a new user in this application. Then we will see how the location will be shared securely. Okay. Now let's go to register here and try to register a new user. First name, say codebook, projects. Okay. Countries there, India, select state, select city. Okay. Automatically it comes based on the selection. Next, some date of birth, address, pin code. Okay. Some phone number, email ID, password. For password, you can see when the cursor focuses on the okay text area, it's saying that password must contain the following: lowercase letter, a capital or uppercase letter, a number, minimum 8 characters. Got it? So let's provide that. And when I'm providing, you can see it's validating the input. So we have got all the input set. Let's try to submit the form. Pin code must be 6. Okay. So now registration is being performed. If everything goes fine, it will register this user and the details will be stored in the database server. You can see the message here. Phone number already exists, it says. Okay, let's try to register with some different phone number. Pin code. or else this number I gave, email ID is there, let's give this, password is there, let's provide this. Okay, submit the form. Now let's see whether it validates any input or registered this user. Registration successfully done. Got it? Let's click on this OK and try to perform the login. And login is successful. Now, after login is successful, this is the dashboard. And here you can see there is an option search location. If I go over there, okay, so there will be Google Maps will be displayed here. And if I click on this current location, this is the current location. Got it? This is my current location here. Control plus, I can scroll like this. Now, latitude and longitude values are coming. If I want these latitude and longitude values here, so there is a button given, current location, click on that button, and you will notice that the latitude and longitude values will be displayed. Now, these details, these location to whom I want to share with, let's say two users are there. This is me. Let's say I want to share with this user. What content do you want? Okay. Secret message. What is the secret message? Okay, so my Facebook login password is password123 something. Okay, now let's submit this. Message sent successfully. Now here there is an option. If you want to search some user, you can search here. You need to provide the email ID. Let's provide the email ID. And if you search that user, you will get some sort of details like gender and date of birth. That's it. Next, notification is there. If someone has shared with you something, that will come here. Okay. No data is available right now. Let's log out and log in with the another user. Here also there is a point when you log in with the another user. Let's see after login is success to that user whether we will be able to check the notification or not here. Success notification. You can see here the notification is displayed, but here we cannot access it unless and until location-based server process it. So let's log out and let's go to location-based server, LBS. And I will try to log in this server because we need to process here that request. Yes, LBS. Login and new request. Yes, there is a new request here. Two requests has been accepted and there's a new request here which has to be accept. Let's click on this accept here. Got it? So two user key is this and time, date and time and accept. User details if you want, you can see the two users are there. Log out. Now let's log in here. This user, let's try to log in now. Now let's go to notification and third notification. Let's Click on view, and now it's asking key. So where is the key? We did not receive it. Yes, we have received the key, but in mail. Yes, location details you can see here, and there is a key. Copy this. And paste here. Submit. Now you can see the details are coming. Content is coming, secret message is coming, as well as the location where it is coming that this is my location. Okay. So this is a simple project which we have developed for providing the security to the location based data along with some secret messages. If we go to database here, and if we check here, the details like send message table is there. Let me show you what is there. You can see here the details are in encrypted format. The second and third record you can match here. Content is encrypted here. Okay, content is encrypted. Message is encrypted. So the servers will not be able to see that key is there. Got it? So servers are not having any option to view the data. So this is the highest security we are providing. So it's very simple. Hope you understood the project concept. Still, if you have any doubts, you can get back to me. My number is given. You can ping me on WhatsApp as well. So with this project execution, I conclude here. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye for now.